أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الله لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم لا تأخذه سنة ولا نوم له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض من ذا الذي يشفع عنده إلا بإذنه يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم ولا يحيطون بشيء من علمه إلا بما شاء وسع كرسيه السماوات والأرض ولا يؤوده حفظهما وهو العلي العظيم. صدق الله العظيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed Satan. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Allah, the ever-living, the one who sustains and protects all that exists. Neither slumber nor sleep overtakes him. To him belongs whatever is in the heavens, and whatever is on the earth. Who is he that can intercede with him except with his permission? He knows what happens to his creatures in this world, and what will happen to them in the hereafter. And they will never compass anything of his knowledge except that which he wills. His chair extends over the heavens and the earth, and he feels no fatigue in guarding and preserving them. And he is the Most High, the Most Great. No doubt, Allah is the most truthful of all.